Hi, so this week we're going to be talking about neighborhoods and things that we see in the neighborhoods. So we got a book from Liev. Is this me? Oh, yes, from Liev. And it's called The Bulldozer Helps Out. The construction site bustled. Cement mixer was stirring. The crane truck was lifting. The digger truck was scooping. And Bulldozer was watching. He said with a sigh, puffing some smoke from his stack, he bumped to where the other trucks worked. I can help, he exclaimed. He raised his blade hopefully. You are too little, rumbled Dump Truck. You'll get hurt. Building skyscrapers is a rough, tough job, clattered Cement Mixer. For rough, tough trucks, rattled Digger. Bulldozer turned away. The big trucks looked at one another. But maybe, clang Crane. See over there, Crane pointed. That needs to be cleared and flattened. I can do it, cried Bulldozer. So what are you waiting for, kid, grumbled Roller Truck. Hooray, squealed Bulldozer. Honking his horn, he zoomed, bump, vroom, to his work site. Once there, he revved his motor. He lowered his blade and charge. He sat, smoke puffing from his stack for a moment. Then he gave the pile a little nudge, then a second, then a third, and when he gotten it just right, he hunkered down, hushed and watchful. His motor hummed, soft as a lullaby. Hours passed. At last, the other trucks bumped to where Bulldozer was working. He hadn't done a single thing they asked. I thought he was big enough, Boom Digger. I thought he was rough enough, Rattle Scraper. I thought he was tough enough, Clatter Grater. Move out of the way, kid, roar Roller. I fixed that in no time, Flat. But Bulldozer wouldn't budge. Instead, he whispered, shh. How rude, belched Cement Mixer. Shh. Behave yourself, Rattle Scraper. Shh. You mind, Roller Truck this minute, Clang Crane. Shh. Then, above the banging, rattle, rumbled, floated a tiny sweet sound. The trucks quiet, and in the silence, a chorus of gentle mews rose into the air. And is that what I think it is, Boom Digger? Bulldozer raised his blade. He moved aside. Oh, those baby kittens. They found in the dirt. Oh, they are pretty cute kids, said Dump Truck. But taking care of babies, now that's a rough, tough job. I can do it, cried Bulldozer. The big trucks looked at one another again, and we believe you can, clanged Crane. And he did. At the end.